Right now, somewhere in a meeting room, someone is holding back a laugh. Their stomach is shaking. Their face is completely still. You've done this too. Swallowed a scream, hidden a flinch, smiled through something that made your skin crawl. It feels like basic manners, but it's not. It's older than manners, older than language, maybe older than your species. Your ancestors were doing this exact thing 300,000 years ago, in small bands of 20 to 50 people, with no walls, no privacy, and no way to hide. Here's the strange part. In a group that small, every feeling you showed was public information. Fear on your face told everyone a predator might be near. Rage told everyone you were unstable. Desire told a rival exactly where to aim jealousy. So why didn't early humans just feel less? They couldn't. The feelings were the same wiring you still carry. Fast heart, tight chest, hot face. What changed was what happened to that feeling on its way out. Some researchers who study social groups, including the anthropologist Robin Dunbar, have pointed out that human brains grew unusually large, partly to track relationships. Not predators, not tools. People. Who owed who a favor? Who was angry at who? Who might turn on the group? That kind of tracking only works if you can also manage your own signal. A group can't function if everyone broadcasts every emotion the instant it happens. So a second skill evolved alongside the first one, not just reading other people's faces. Editing your own. Think about what that actually requires. Your body wants to run, freeze, or lash out. And you have to look calm anyway, while your heart is still slamming. That gap between what you feel and what you show is not modern politeness. It's an old survival tool. The sociologist Erving Goffman had a phrase for this centuries later. He called it front stage and backstage. In public, you perform a version of yourself built for the room. In private, the mask comes off. Your ancestors had a front stage too. It just had higher stakes. Show too much fear, and the group loses faith in you as a hunter. Show too much anger, and you get quietly frozen out of food sharing. Show too much desire for someone else's partner, and you might not survive the night. So faces became something closer to armor. Calm on the outside, storm on the inside. Here's the twist. This suppression wasn't free. Holding a feeling in costs energy. Your body still runs the fear response even while your face denies it. That mismatch, feeling one thing and performing another, is measurable. It shows up in heart rate, in cortisol, in the tight jaw you didn't notice until it started aching. Your ancestors paid that cost daily. And the ones who could pay it, who could look steady while feeling anything but, were the ones other people trusted enough to keep around. That's the part worth sitting with. The poker face wasn't a trick. It was a ticket to belonging. Now look at your own day. The meeting where you nodded along, furious. The room where you smiled through heartbreak. The moment you swallowed a scream because screaming wasn't safe. You weren't being fake. You were running a program written long before offices, long before etiquette, long before anyone called it self-control. Somewhere in a meeting room, someone is holding back a laugh. Their face is still. Their ancestors would recognize exactly what that costs.